Today is a beautiful day. The sun is out and brightly shining in a certain kind of way. Yes, I too have a smile on my face. But when you're falling in love, isn't every day a beautiful day? I feel good, I feel free, yeah. The whole world is love, and I'm happy. I've been over and over with you in my mind. It fills me up to see you so happy all the
Standard
time.
is a frigate. It's exact replica of the first frigate of Russian Baltic fleet. Original was built by a Russian Tsar Peter the Great in 1703. Well, I built the ship, so it's my baby and my dream, and we are working on towards the next ship. So it's nice to show Standard, and nice to see people really like old ships and traditional ships.
Last week you were with the ship in Amsterdam, and now in Vlissingen. How is it to be in Vlissingen?
It's very cozy. Compared with Sail Amsterdam, it's very cozy, very friendly event, and people here are very relaxed. And it's much more pleasant to be in the center of not very large event, but with very friendly atmosphere.
Ja, het was wel heel indrukwekkend. Nooit gezien zo'n boot van dichtbij eigenlijk. Het is wel heel mooi om te zien. Gewoon het hele antieke van vroeger, denk ik. En dat die boot nog vaart, kan ik me niet voorstellen.
Ja, hartstikke leuk. Hartstikke leuk om even te zien hoe dat vroeger allemaal eruit zag. Zeker weten. En Michiel de Ruiter natuurlijk. Ja, wat wil je nog meer?